Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I have a very special guest. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Luna.
And we are going to be making tie-dye shirts. I'm not entirely sure if this is the smartest idea, but it definitely will be entertaining for her. And you know, it's always just fun to do something with the little ones. So what we did is we got the one-step tie-dye kit from Joann, and I actually bought the shirts that we're going to be using from Joann as well. So this tie-dye kit, it comes with 28 pieces. So it includes 3 squeeze bottles that you see her holding, 4 protective gloves, which we have right here, 20 rubber bands, and then this little fun instruction sheet that tells you how to do the shirts that you want to do, or the design that you want to do on the shirts. So the first thing that we did is we laid down our little protective sheets. We got to protect everything. Oop. So the next thing that we're going to do is each bottle says fill to line with water and shake until dissolved. So I am going to go ahead and get some water in here. So we are getting our gloves on. No, good one. And I'm just getting them on her because I know she's gonna want to help with these. So we're just gonna shake, 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 shake until it all dissolves at the bottom. Just make sure it's all dissolved. Okay, and it looks like we're ready for our shirts. So we're actually gonna do the swirl shirt. ¿Este te gusta? It says, espérate mami. It says you spiral it around from the center. Obviously, it does not have to be perfect. She keeps saying, give it to me. I may be in trouble here. So I'm just gonna sew her shirt. And since hers is little, I'm gonna just double it up. And just gonna make one right here. Oops. There you go. All right. Okay. So this is what her shirt looks like. This is what her shirt looks like. Now we're gonna do my shirt. And we actually got a shirt for Dad as well. So I'm pretty sure we're just gonna do his the same, so we can all match together. And I'm sure this is not going to be perfect, but that is the point of these shirts. It's just fun. Thank you. Right.
Hey, pelo.
Es para el pelo. So this is what my shirt looks like. let's just get that shirt out of the way as well. That way is if his comes out better than mine. Well, actually.
So, Mike, what's supposed to do?
What?
Different.
Am I right? Am I right?
I don't know what.
Okay. Okay, so now that we have our 3 shirts right here, have our 3 shirts. Okay, now it is definitely time to put on our gloves. Mommy will put hers on. Okay, Linda, ready? Set. Okay. Whoa! Okay, this is a part where you definitely need to be careful. Para tu manita. Y vamos a poner el otro. Y vamos así. This way. And we're just gonna turn it over. Oops. Wait. I see. Now we turn it over and do the same thing. And since we have some that's actually just dripping right here, I'm just gonna turn it over. Okay. Okay, este es azul. So now we are doing red. Okay. Wait. But the point is, you just get it everywhere. Ahora vamos a hacer el amarillo. Yeah. Buen trabajo, Luna. So what we did with hers is we just kind of went crazy with the yellow just to fill in all the spots. So this is what hers looks like on the other side. Whoops. Now on to our next shirt. So this is what our second one looks like right here. And we're just gonna finish off Dad's shirts. Whoa, girl. And this is our last shirt. All right, you guys, so the last step is going to be just wrapping up our shirts and then just letting them sit for 6 to 8 hours. I'm gonna put these in here. This is a Luna. Now that we have our shirts all wrapped up, we're just gonna go ahead and clean up our mess. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let it sit 6 to 8 hours and we'll be back to show you the result. Now that we've let it sit for 8 hours, we're just gonna drop it in the sink, ponlo aquí, and rinse it out. So after you've washed each shirt individually, this is what you'll have. This is mine right here. And obviously you can tell that they have a lot more white than they do color, but that is because we are doing some iron-on. For my daughter's shirt, she is in love with pandas, so of course I just use my Cricut machine to cut out some cool little iron-ons. Head and place this right in the center. Obviously measure these if you want it perfect, but since it's a tie-dye shirt, you know we have some fun color going on. Doesn't really matter as long as it looks good. This is what it'll look like. I'm just going to use a thin towel to cover that up and just move the iron around. Make sure it sticks on there very well. One more time. Here's our cute little panda shirt. For my shirt, I just did a cute little crafting is my therapy from Design Space. What I did is I just used a glitter and I just used pink iron-on for this. So again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it's our shirt. It's whatever we want to make it. So here is our finished product. The cheese! Thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you next time.
These.
What is that?
Panda. This is.
Bye.
Bye.